Most people are surprised to learn that not everything they own has to go through the probate process. Let's talk today about what assets have to go through probate, what assets can be avoided. There are 3 ways to title your assets to avoid probate. The first is to name someone as a joint owner with right of survivorship. When we have joint property with right of survivorship, that property is going to transfer automatically to the surviving joint owner upon your death. Another asset that avoids probate are assets with properly designated beneficiaries. This could be things like life insurance, retirement accounts, brokerage accounts, or even bank accounts. Oftentimes, institutions allow you to put payable on death or transferable on death designations on these accounts. Of course, you have to actually have a beneficiary that's designated for it to work, but by and large, that will avoid the probate process. The last way to avoid probate is to have a revocable living trust and have your assets titled in the trust. Assets titled in the revocable trust are going to be controlled by the trust agreement. There's no reason for those assets to go through the probate process. It's much more efficient to handle it through the trust. Probate can be time-consuming, public, and expensive. Structuring your assets to avoid the probate process can be a huge benefit to your family. We help clients through using trusts and other titling strategies to avoid the probate process. If you're not sure whether your assets will go through probate, or if you'd like to speak with someone about structuring a plan to avoid probate entirely, let's have a discussion.